Our smallest actions are not drops in the ocean, but the ocean itself in a drop.
Imagine waking up every day knowing that the good you do will come back to you in unexpected and wonderful ways. This is the power of karma, a concept accepted across cultures and ages, teaching us that every action we take has a profound impact on our lives. Karma isn't just an ancient spiritual idea, it's a modern-day guide to living well. In various traditions, karma is seen as a cosmic law of cause and effect. What you give out to the world, you receive back. But it's not about fear or retribution. It's about the potential for positive change. Whether you're helping a neighbor or spreading kindness in your community, each small act contributes to a larger outcome. Today, we explore how this timeless principle operates in our lives, from the smallest gestures to life-changing decisions. Let's dive into the eye-opening reality of karma and discover how our actions truly shape our destiny. Have you ever wondered if there's a scientific reason why acts of kindness seem to lead to more positivity in life? Research in psychology continually points to the benefits of positive behaviors, not just for others, but for ourselves too. This idea mirrors the principles of karma, where good deeds often yield good returns. Studies show that when we perform acts of generosity, our brains release endorphins, the chemicals that give us feelings of happiness and satisfaction. This biological response can create a positive feedback loop, encouraging us to keep behaving kindly. Psychologists find that people who engage in regular, altruistic behaviors are less likely to suffer from stress and depression. They often enjoy stronger social bonds and a deeper sense of community, which are essential for mental and emotional health. This intersection between psychology and the concept of karma suggests that while the universe might not keep a ledger, our bodies and minds certainly respond as if it does. Sometimes the smallest actions can set off the greatest waves of change. Think about the power of a simple smile to a stranger, holding the door open for someone, or offering a genuine compliment. These actions might seem minor, but they hold the potential to significantly enhance not only your day, but also that of others. This is the essence of karma in action. Small deeds, planting seeds for future positivity. Consider the effect of regularly expressing gratitude. When you acknowledge the good in your life and thank those who contribute to it, you foster an atmosphere of appreciation and positivity around you. Research supports that such behaviors not only boost your own mood but can improve the well-being of those around you, spreading a ripple of positive impacts. Similarly, volunteering your time, even in small amounts, can have a profound impact on your community and your own sense of self-worth. It connects you with others, builds empathy, and reinforces the social fabric that binds us together. Each of these examples illustrates how straightforward, everyday actions can nurture a cycle of good karma, promoting a happier, more connected life. Imagine you're at a coffee shop and you decide to pay for the drink of the person in line behind you. This small act of kindness doesn't just brighten their day. It often inspires them to pay it forward, continuing a chain reaction of generosity. This scenario isn't just a feel-good story. It's karma in action in our daily lives. Or consider a day when you're running late for work and feeling the stress weigh down on you. In that hurried state, you might unknowingly snap at a colleague. The negative energy doesn't just affect your relationship but could sour their mood too, potentially leading them to pass on the frustration to others. Here, too, we see karma at work, showing how our negative actions can propagate further negativity. These everyday examples demonstrate karma's practical mechanisms. Our actions, whether positive or negative, set off chains of events that extend far beyond the initial interaction. By choosing kindness, patience, and generosity, we're not just making a one-time gesture. We're potentially altering the course of our day and that of others, weaving a web of positive karma that supports and uplifts. In the journey of life, the effects of karma can unfold at different paces. Sometimes, the impact of our actions is immediate and tangible. For instance, when you offer a kind word to a friend in need, their smile and sense of relief are instant rewards, a direct reflection of the positive energy you've shared. This immediate feedback can uplift your spirits and strengthen your bond right away. On the other hand, some karmic effects take time to manifest. You might work tirelessly on a project, investing effort and good intentions without seeing immediate results. But months, or even years later, the groundwork you've laid can lead to opportunities and successes that you hadn't anticipated. The seeds of good deeds planted long ago can blossom into unexpected and fulfilling rewards. Factors such as the nature of the action, the context in which it's taken, and the interconnectedness of different life events all influence the timing of karmic returns. This variability teaches us patience and faith. Faith in the process of life and the belief that even if the outcomes aren't immediate, positive intentions and actions eventually yield positive results. This understanding encourages us to continue doing good, knowing that our actions contribute to a chain of positivity. Whether we see immediate effects or not, can we truly control our karma? This question has intrigued philosophers and thinkers for centuries, and the answer lies in the power of our choices. Every decision we make and action we take has consequences, shaping our future experiences and the world around us. By choosing actions aligned with goodness and integrity, we actively influence the kind of karma that returns to us. Philosophically, many believe that while we might not control the external events of our lives, we do have control over our reactions and behaviors. This control is where our power over karma lies. For instance, facing adversity with grace and resilience can transform a potentially negative experience into a growth opportunity, altering the karmic outcome. The intent behind our actions plays a crucial role in determining our karmic path. Actions taken with pure intentions are likely to generate positive karma, while those driven by selfish motives could lead to negative returns. This view encourages us to live with mindfulness and awareness, consciously making choices that not only benefit ourselves, but also contribute positively to others' lives. Ultimately, while we cannot predict every result of our actions, we can certainly steer our karmic journey through deliberate and thoughtful choices. This perspective empowers us to live more fulfilling lives, aware that our every action contributes to the fabric of our destiny. Karma is a concept that resonates across various cultures, each bringing its own unique interpretation and practices to the forefront. In Hinduism, karma is deeply intertwined with the belief in reincarnation, where the actions of one's past lives determine the circumstances of future lives. This perspective encourages a moral life to achieve a better state in one's next incarnation. Buddhism also accepts the idea of karma, but with a focus on the present actions and their effects on one's future within this lifetime and beyond. It teaches that mindfulness and intentional living can break the cycle of suffering and rebirth, leading to enlightenment. In Western cultures, the notion of karma is often simplified to the adage, "What goes around, comes around." This interpretation is less about spiritual rebirth and more about the immediate moral consequences of one's actions in their current life. It's seen as a universal principle that good deeds lead to positive outcomes and bad deeds to negative ones. Even though the interpretations of karma vary, the underlying principle remains consistent across these cultural narratives. Our actions shape our experiences. This shared belief underscores the universality of karma, transcending individual traditions to highlight a global wisdom about the power of our actions. In today's fast-paced world, the ancient concept of karma remains profoundly relevant, influencing both societal issues and personal growth. At work, for example, karma reflects the principle that professional integrity and teamwork can lead to greater success and satisfaction. Those who foster a positive environment and support their colleagues often find that help and opportunities come their way when most needed. In personal relationships, karma plays a pivotal role as well. Acts of kindness and understanding foster stronger, more resilient connections. Conversely, negativity and dishonesty tend to deteriorate trust and intimacy, affecting one's social and family life. On a larger scale, karma is visible in how societies respond to global challenges. Communities that work together and support vulnerable members during crises often emerge stronger and more united. This collective action is a form of societal karma, where the deeds of a group influence the fate of the entire community. In each of these contexts, karma encourages us to consider the long-term impacts of our actions. It teaches us that while we may not see immediate returns, our positive contributions to our workplaces, homes, and societies plant seeds for future benefits, promoting a cycle of goodwill and progress. This integration of karma into modern life underscores its enduring value as a guiding principle for ethical conduct and mutual respect. Let's explore real-life stories of individuals who have experienced the changing power of karma. Take Sarah, for example, a school teacher who decided to start each day by writing a note of appreciation to a different colleague or student. Over time, not only did her relationships improve, but she also noticed a significant increase in the support and positivity she received, both professionally and personally. Then there's Michael, a business owner who implemented a policy of investing in community services. His commitment to ethical practices and community support led to widespread loyalty among his customers, boosting his business reputation and success. Michael believes that his decision to operate with integrity and generosity was returned tenfold to his life and business. And consider the story of Anna, who dedicated herself to forgiving and offering help to a family member who had wronged her in the past. This act of forgiveness transformed their relationship, turning a source of continual stress into one of mutual support and love. Anna credits this change to her belief in karma, which motivated her to take the high road and focus on healing and positivity. These stories highlight how the principles of karma can lead to profound changes in various aspects of life. By acting with kindness, gratitude, and integrity, each individual was able to experience firsthand the positive cycle of karma, enriching their lives and the lives of those around them. As we conclude our exploration of karma, we see how profoundly our actions shape not only our own lives, but also those around us. From the personal stories of Sarah, Michael, and Anna, to the broader implications in our workplaces and communities, it's clear that the energy we put out into the world does indeed come back to us. Whether it's through immediate smiles or long-term life changes, karma reminds us of the power of our choices. I invite you now to reflect on how you can incorporate these principles into your own life. Consider the small actions you can take each day that might not only improve your life, but also make the world a bit brighter for someone else. What positive changes might you inspire through kindness, integrity, and generosity? If you found value in our discussion and wish to continue exploring ways to positively transform your life and the lives of others, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us share more content like this, and together we can spread a message of positivity and growth. Thank you for watching, and remember, every action counts. Make yours count for good.